Former President Donald Trump plans to turn himself in and be processed at the Fulton County Jail on Thursday, following his agreement earlier Monday to a $200,000 bond and other release conditions. "I'll be going to Atlanta, Georgia, on Thursday to be arrested," Trump wrote on Truth Social, confirming CNN's earlier reporting from two sources familiar with the plan. Several co-defendants in the sweeping Georgia racketeering case have also agreed to the terms of their bond agreements with the district attorney's office. Trump's lawyers Jennifer Little, Drew Findling and Marissa Goldberg met with the district attorney's office on Monday before the details of the bond agreement were released. Little, Findling and Goldberg are based in the state. Other Trump lawyers have been working behind the scenes on the approach to the bond and Trump's forthcoming arrest, including Todd Blanche, who has taken the helm as Trump's primary defense attorney across his multiple criminal indictments. The release conditions outlined in Trump's bond order are more extensive than those laid out in the others approved earlier Monday in the case. Unlike some of his co-defendants, the former president is explicitly barred in the order from using social media to target his 18 co-defendants in the case, as well as any witnesses and the 30 unindicted co-conspirators. The defendant shall perform no act to intimidate any person known to him or her to be a co-defendant or witness in this case or to otherwise obstruct the administration of justice, the order signed by Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee states. The above shall include, but are not limited to, posts on social media or reposts of posts made by another individual on social media, the order reads. The Fulton County election subversion case marks the first time the release conditions for Trump have included a cash bond and a prohibition on intimidation through social media. The criminal case is the fourth brought against the former president this year. In the previous cases, the conditions for Trump's release after arrest and pending trial have been largely routine. In the Mar-a-Lago documents case brought against him by special counsel Jack Smith in Florida, Trump was released on personal recognizance, though there was some pushback from his attorneys on the restrictions that were imposed on his contact with witnesses in that case. Trump also was released on minimal conditions in Smith's election subversion case brought in Washington, D.C. Those conditions include not being allowed to communicate with anyone known to be a witness in the case unless through an attorney. And in the New York hush money case, Trump was similarly ordered to not communicate about the case with anyone central to it except through one of his attorneys.